A business that crafts a beautiful product also understands that it must get in front of a buyer in order to justify its investment. The same goes for websites. Simply building a good website will not get it seen. A website buried under the first page of search results is as good as a product that is buried in a hole, because both investments are hidden from its customers. Ideate Media has the ability to dig you out of the mess and get your website in front of the customers that could be buying from you if only they could find you.
Hi, I'm John Cabers from Ideate Media. As we look to the future, one thing we know is that you have to create a business from the internet. That needs to be an important source of whether it's online sales, whether it's getting leads, calling your office for appointments, whatever that case may be, people are going to use the internet to search for products and services. We help you get found and get noticed on the internet in places like Yahoo, Google, and Bing. The people that come up in the first page are likely going to be getting a phone call, a visit to the website, and other things that are important to growing their business. So as you ask yourself over the next 10 to 15 years, where's the real growth going to be? I think it's going to be on the internet, and that's what Ideate Media does, and we believe that.